of safety. Life. Happy holidays from Bulldog. The season of giving back ends January 2nd.
I love my abdominals, yes. I love my belly. I love my abdominals. My husband, he can hardly keep his hands off of me.
Favorite part of my body is definitely my abs, and that's the best part.
The secret to results like these is the Bender method of core training, developed by master trainer Leslie Bender.
She's an inspiration. This is an amazingly great program.
Leslie's secret weapon to sculpted abs is the small ball, the Bender ball, that Leslie uses to target your abs in ways that you couldn't do otherwise.
What you see in the gym, people are just doing gazillion crunches, and they don't know why they're not getting results. With a regular crunch on the floor, you're limited. You can only go forward. You can't go back. With a Bender ball, you're getting extension and flexion.
Each of Leslie's ab sculpting moves puts you in perfect position for results. Combined with her effective method of selective stabilization, it cranks up the intensity and targets the muscles you want from all sides. Your upper abs, the thighs, and those hard-to-reach lower abs. To give you a workout that's up to 408% more effective than ordinary crunches, so you can sculpt beautiful abs fast.
It's quick, it's right to the point, gets right to the abs.
And now, for only $19.99, you can have the incredible Bender ball and Leslie's amazing video, the Bender method of core training.
I've gotten such good results that I would never go back to regular crunches.
We will see results quickly, and that's the best part.
But it gets even better. Call now, and you can get this amazing program for only $9.99. Plus, we'll include a bonus video, the Bender method buns and thighs. Your free gift just for ordering. Altogether, this is a $40 value, but yours right now for only $9.99.
You're going to really like this.
Call 1-800-281-5885. That's 1-800-281-5885. Call now.
While NASCAR stopped for the season, the nationwide series finale home to Miami. Clint Boyer, 56-point lead, headed into the final race trying to hold off Carl Edwards. Edwards chasing the point finals at the weekend for him. Lap 145 final pit stop. Edwards to 60, Boyer to 2. Edwards gets out second, Boyer right behind. Edwards consistent all year, 22 top 10s in this series. Lap 167, he passes Kyle Busch for the lead. There goes the 60 out in front. 4 laps remaining on the restart. Busch just can't get around Edwards.